Hello, everyone. I want to go through some quick steps for calculating the pH of a solution. You should know that the symbol bracket H plus is pronounced the concentration of hydrogen ions or the concentration of H plus. The pH equals negative log concentration H plus is one way of pronouncing the formula for calculating the pH of a solution. If you happen to do extra problems from other sources, I want you to know in advance that the formula may be written as pH equals negative log concentration of H3O plus. This is because hydrogen ions don't exist in water for very long. The water molecules grab the H plus and become the hydronium ion, H3O plus. While the formula looks different, it's still the same calculation. We're going to do the example, what is the pH of a solution with a hydrogen ion concentration equal to 1.5 times 10 to the negative 6 molar. Recopying the formula, pH equals negative log concentration of H plus. We'll plug in the numbers just to make sure we know exactly what we're going to do. And so our pH will equal the negative log of 1.5 times 10 to the negative 6. Let me show you how to use your calculators to do this. In my experience, I haven't used the log function with iPhone users before, but when I've done other functions with students who have iPhones, once you turn your calculator, most of the information looks the same regardless of being on an Android or iPhone. The buttons I want to point out to you are as follows. You will need the multiplication button. You will need the equal sign. You will need the log function, LOG, and you'll need one more. It's an inverted V, upside down V. This will give us the opportunity to go into typing in exponents. You'll also need the minus sign because here we go. We're going to type in the negative, then the log. We're automatically given the parentheses, so I'll just type in 1.5. I'm ready for the times 10. To get to the exponent, I hit the upside down V. There's no negative sign, so again, I hit the minus sign and the number 6. You don't need to close the parentheses. You can just hit equals. This is an extremely long number. The next slide or slides coming up will tell you how to only keep a certain number of decimal places. I have here what our final answer will be. The pH will be the negative log minus sign log 1.5, the times button, type in the number 10, hit the upside down V, hit the minus sign again, and 6, then the equal sign. This will give you a pH of 5.82. I'll do one more for you. Let's clear this out. And let's do the pH of, what would be a good one? How about 2.3 times 10 to the negative 5? That up here. I'm going to do the concentration of hydrogen ions or hydronium ions is equal to 2.3 times 10 to the negative 5 molar. pH will then be the negative log of the concentration, so 2.3 times 10 to the minus 5. In my calculator, I'm pressing the minus sign, the log. You can see it there. I'll do that again for you. I'm going to hit the minus sign, the log button, gives me the parentheses 2.3 times 10, upside down V, negative with a minus sign, 6. Shoot, this time we're at 5. -5. There we go. I'm going to hit equals. And now my pH is 4.64. It's a more acidic pH because I have a larger concentration of hydrogen ions. I hope this helped, and please continue to watch the video for the last, not the video, the slideshow for the last few tips for doing these problems.